Hello class! I promise this is your last video about revising the essay. If anybody has not handed in a rough draft yet, you still can. So send me that rough draft ASAP and I will read it. This little video is about making sure that everybody has seen the comments on your rough draft. So this page here that you see is in the week 6 module. And if you click on the Here button right here, it takes you to Canvas instructions, and you can see how to get to the comments on your rough draft. I want to make sure everybody knows how to do this. So grades, and then you'll find the rough draft, and you have to click right here where it says View Feedback, and that will get you to the comments on the essay itself. And if you scroll down, you can see what they look like. Okay? So I'm going to show you one rough draft because I want to make sure everyone can see all the comments you got. So this is somebody's rough draft. And notice that there's comments over here on the right where you get, I give you 2 or 3 paragraphs, and it might look differently on your end. But also I have comments on the essay itself. So when you click View Feedback, that's what you get. So I want to make sure everyone can see that you have comments written in paragraphs, and then also comments on the essay itself. And of course, you can be in touch if you have questions. Thanks.